Hey, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I've worked with Ohuhu a few times this year, and to thank me, they sent me a holiday gift. It's not very often that I get something like this, so I'm very, very excited to open it. First, let's talk about how cool this box is. It's so cute. This came like just in a regular box. I took it out and it's just super, it's such a cute, nice box, and I'm going to be able to use this for something, but I thought I'd open it with you because it's really heavy and I don't know what's in here. So let's check it out together. First of all, a big thank you to Ohuhu for sending me this little gift. It's very much appreciated. All right. I love boxes that have the tops that just pull off. It feels like I'm in like a TV show when they do that, you know? Anyway, let's check out everything here. It's chock full of stuff. What's this? We have a little 2025 calendar. How cute with that little frog. Thank you for being part of our journey. Inside, you'll discover a curated selection of our favorite products, all designed to spark your creativity. We hope this box inspires you and fuels your artistic journey. That is so nice of them to send this. I'm just like really appreciative of them. Okay, let's check out everything in here. Looks like we have a canvas bag, and it's the same pattern as that at the top of the box. And how cute is this? It's so bright and cheerful. It has Ohuhu. It says draw, feel, empower. The back has the little Ohuhu frog. I think I collect like these canvas bags from, you know, I have some from Happy Planner, from Archer and Olive, and just, you know, of course, other ones. But this is a nice size and it feels good. So I will be happy to use this. Is this a little coaster? We have a little Ohuhu coaster. How cute. And it looks like we have an Ohuhu luggage tag with the little froggy on it. Ooh, what's this? What does this do? It's like a little, I don't know what this is, you guys. Do you know? So this pulls up and it's sticky in here, so I guess you can stick this little frog to stuff and he can turn. And this is a magnet. Little cute Ohuhu magnet. I'll put it on my magnet board I collect magnets when I travel, and I bought this huge magnet board off of Etsy that's like 3x4 so I could display my travel magnets, so I'll put him on there too. All right, so we definitely have some markers here. This is a cute little pouch. All right, these are brush pens. Yeah, these are the ones that I just used in a video. And I wonder if these are different colors, actually. Oh, look at these. Okay. So these are the paper-friendly ones. And I think these will go in my giveaway because I'm pretty sure I have these colors already, but I'll double check to see if these are different. They may be different, actually. I'm looking at the names, trying to figure it out. But if I have them, they'll go in my giveaway. And then these are cool. So these look like the Zig Clean Color Dot markers. We're going to try these out in a minute. Except they're not Zig, of course. They're Ohuhu, but I didn't know that other brands made them. And I'm really excited to have these because I really like those. Here's some alcohol markers, which I have a bunch already. And I'm pretty sure I probably have these colors, so this will go in my giveaway, but it's got such a cute little case. I really like that. And I love their alcohol markers. I use them all the time. And we have some acrylic markers here. I'm not going to open these because I'm pretty sure I have these as well, and I'm going to save these for a giveaway, probably for my Patreon members, but we'll see. Let's see what's down here. Ohuhu nib family, always a perfect fit. So it talks about the different kinds of nibs that you can get. Some stickers with this cute little frog. I don't know what the frog's name is unless it's Ohuhu. And some more stickers here. Hawaiian stickers. Oh my gosh, it keeps going. So this is a marker pad for, especially for like those alcohol markers. This is a really good pad. I have one that's bigger, I believe, but I like having this size. And one more thing. I think that's it. There's a lot in this box, you guys. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, glitter markers. I don't have these. These look interesting, so we'll try these out too. All right, let's move all this stuff aside. And we're going to try out the markers I haven't tried yet. Whoops. The only glitter markers I have, I think, are from Zebra, and I don't love those. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know. There's instructions on it. Do I have to shake it? I can't tell from the instructions what this means. So I guess I'm going to shake it. We'll try it out. Oh, it's one of those where you have to push down, so it's like a paint marker. So I'm not going to swatch all of these because it'll take too long to start them all, but I'm just going to show you a few of the colors. Oh, I like this. So this is like, it comes off very wet, so it is like a paint pen, but do you see the shine on that? So it's sort of metallic. It's different than what I thought, and I like it better. Okay, let's try this one. Same deal, it's sort of metallic-y. These are really fun. So if you look closely, these are definitely glittery. I don't know if you can tell from these. Especially the pink and the yellow are very glittery. The blue, not as much, but they're all definitely shiny. I think those are super cool. I really like these. Something new for me, something different and interesting. So that's really fun, and you get a whole bunch of colors. How many colors does it say? And these are 0.7mm tip, and there's all the colors that you get. Very cute, very cool. Okay. Oh, 24 colors. It says it right there in big numbers. All right, let's check these out. These are called the 𝘬𝘗 journal pens, which are the dot markers. So let's try these out. The one side is going to be the tip where you can make different size dots, and this one's going to be a fine liner, I guess. Or is that? Oh, it's a brush pen. Okay, cool. Actually, that's pretty cool. It's a nice size brush pen. It feels good too. Okay, so this side, if you push down hard, you're gonna get like a big circle, and if you push down a little bit, it depends on the what's the word I'm looking for? It depends on the pressure. It depends on the pressure that you put on the pen, how big the circle is going to be. So if you press down really hard, you're going to get that, and then smaller, smaller, smaller. Okay, so these are great for like bullet point lists, for designs. I use these for confetti a lot of the time. They're really fun. I like that it's a brush pen on the one side instead of just a fine liner. I think that's fun. And it's a nice little brush pen, you know? Do you see? They're super fun. So, you know, I might do this at the top of my page if I'm making like a blue and orange spread. I like to put these like between the numbers, you know, or decorate boxes, stuff like that. I'll link these products for you, the ones I can find. I appreciate you use my links. That would help me out if you wouldn't mind. This is a nice pink. I like these Ohuhu. I do. So these ones and these ones are going right into my pen holder because there are spaces over there. I'm running out though. I have 3 of the big pen holders that I got from Stamp & Storage. I'll show you my pen holder here. So I have 3 of them, and I told myself I am not going to buy another one. I'm not going to buy another one. So I have to decide like which pens go in there, which don't, but I think those deserve a place in there because they're definitely different and fun. So I think I'm going to do that. Anyway, thank you so much, Ohuhu, for sending me this stuff. I just did a video on these, so I'm not going to show these to you, but you can check that out. I also have a video on the alcohol markers. 2 videos actually, probably on the alcohol markers, so you can check those out as well. Just if you type in Planning with Bumble Ohuhu, it's going to come up in the search bar. It'll come up with like all of my Ohuhu videos. Anyway, that was a fun little surprise today. Thanks again to Ohuhu, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.